LISONG PET injection system redefines the high-performance molding with 3 core advantages. The clamping system, unwavering stability, features maintenance-free design, eliminating lubricant contamination. Direct clamping ensures product consistency. Ultra-low friction guideways boost the speed and cut energy use. Highly sensitive low-pressure protection instantly safeguards molds. The injection system, precision and efficiency. A dedicated PET screw minimizes acetaldehyde, ensuring perform purity.